Hello everyone, good evening, and today I'll be reviewing my Midland ER210 emergency compact crank radio. It's hand crank, you can take this everywhere. As you can see by the top. And about this radio, as you can tell, right here, the battery life is 25 hours. It can charge your phone, and it has your alert radio, so that's why I have that logo here. Here's your checklist for anything in case of an actual emergency. And here's the back. This is also a E+ ready. And as always, it can help you prepare for tornadoes, floods, hurricanes, fires, earthquakes, anything. And so the power source is a solar hand crank rechargeable battery. As obvious from the front, it has 25 hours up to normal radio use, and it has a flashlight with SOS beacon that's right here. And here's your dynamo crank, flashlight, and your button. You got the LED flashlight. You got your AM, FM band, weather alert, weather radio, USB charger, and your solar charge up here at the top. So let's open this up. I had to pause. And inside the box is your little manual, owner's manual. And here's the start guide. So we'll go with all that. And you also have your checklist. And you gotta make sure you have the following. And if you have those things, you just put a check. So that's pretty neat. We'll move that to the side. Well, here's where they feature every product, such as the ER200, the ER300, the XT511 base camp, and all that other stuff. So let's pull out the ER210. Alright, so it's pretty small. Very light. You can carry this anywhere. You got your protector. Oh, it's on the top. Yeah, I usually have. There we go. And you also got on the flashlight, just so it doesn't get dirty. And on the solar panel. So that's gone too. And it's shining on the light. So let's look at the wonderful manual here. We'll get rid of that plastic. And let's see its features. So I already went over the feature. So let's actually look at the back. So once again, you got your crank. And then you got your charger. right here. This is where you plug. That's where you. It's hard to see. Let me put in the light. So that's the small charger next to the big one. That big one is to charge your phone. The small one is to charge in the radio. Now think on that hole. It's your headphone. Yes, so it's your headphone. And let me get the crank out. Okay, so my phone acted weird and it stopped the recording. Plastic's in the way. So I got crank out. And don't want to push it too hard. Now here's your antenna. Down here is your it's your battery. And then there you go, and it turned on. So it's 8 o'clock. It's actually 8:11. It's yeah. So it says quick start not preference. It's to turn on radio, pull the red tab. So I already did that. Turn off radio, hold the band button. It's so hard to see. I apologize. Alrighty. So there's that, and there's your weather band. That was a fail. Well, not really. So we'll just go to the menu. So that's WX. No. Maybe if I hold it. Hour. So that's just normal time or military time. So this is where we change. It's 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And look, it's not separate. Alright, good enough. So you got the BL. So this is the backlight. It's right now it's off and it's blinking. That's normal when you press the button, and this is the backlight on. FR channel. Let's see what that actually does. Something just fell. To put in the basket where everything just goes there. Not really. So I don't want to let it leave. Pretty sure it does the same as all with 1 minute operating. And always remember your frequency. So mine will be 4, for example. My walkie-talkies has 10 channels. Trying to figure out which frequencies the additional 3 has. Channel options. So we already set the clock and the backlight. So yes, let's see. It has 2 weather channels display options. Displays weather channel frequency and the default, and the channel displays the channel's number. So that's actually neat. If we go to the settings, we have to hold backlight on. So that's for the weather band. It's channel or frequency. So it only displays. And that's almost every setting. Backlight, channel, back to WX. Can't change much. So the bars here are your volume. That was absolutely terrible. So that's what I'm talking about. So it's actually receiving. So now it's getting the channel 4, but I already know the frequency for that. But I think I actually like this better. And you can change it. This one I could get it, and this one too. Let's turn this off. And we're gonna try the flashlight. Wow. So that's low, that's bright. SOS. Yeah. And it's a solar charge by the light. And you could just handle this, walk around. And always be ready for anything. You actually have this for your ER210, and it can fit with your older phone charger if it still functions. But that will be it. There's no alert test, sadly, and it's supposed to rain Friday in the morning. So we'll have this thing with me. And if you're wondering why the WX is blinking, let me show an example. That's the weather. So it's just like that. But this one does not blink. So if I was to set this down, it will not blink. Instead, it'll just be it'll just stay right here because you got that switch. Because the way how the antenna is right now, it's not getting the nearest signal that I have it set. So like this one right here, it's blinking. If I set the antenna down, that's when it shows there's not strong signal. So I actually kind of made a mistake. It is reading my signal perfectly. And let's see what it actually does. So it's blinking.
Highs around 70. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday night, cooler. Mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers.
It only goes like that on the weather.
North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy.
It's quite confusing.
Becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s.
If it's blinking,
Sunday, warmer,
it's still there.
partly cloudy.
It's confusing. And that will be it, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a great night.